Hi everyone, it's Rebecca with Simply Scraphappy. I am a maker with close to my heart for the last 14 years and a scrapbooker and card maker about 6 years before that, so about 2 decades. I have learned so much, and the reason I am with close to my heart is because of their training. Our training is top-notch. We have workshops and ideas galore, awesome community, and our patterns, or we call them recipes, are really teaching us the principles of design. So it's not just random, but you're always learning principles of design where your skills are constantly being increased. So that's one of the reasons I love Close to My Heart, and one of the things I'm going to do today. So I am following along with one of our workshops. You can see it begins with a cutting guide. You have all your supplies you need. Then you know how to cut each piece of paper. Really clear instructions, easy to follow, mindless, you do not have to stress, and you can have beautiful artwork. And then you can see we have the step-by-step instructions, which you can just follow the measurements online on the picture. You can follow along with that on any of our things, or you can read each step if you'd like. So we are working with the Happy Birthday theme. It is Cake Day, which is great for all the birthdays and celebration days. And this is our featured for March 2022. And just before the end of the month here, I thought I would wrap up my pages and projects from Cake Day. So I hope you enjoy. I'm gonna put this on time lapse so you're not bored and you can see how they come together magically and quickly. You'll also see me, changing things here and there to fit what I would like for my taste. And if you see me like pausing and looking and changing, it's because I want to be done when it's done for it to be my product that I love. I want it to be my artwork, and that is really what we want to do for you with Close to My Heart. We want to teach you the principles of design and give you lots of options, and you personalize it. When you finish it, it is your artwork from your heart. We say, make it from your heart. So thank you for joining me, and I'm gonna switch over to the time-lapse camera so you can enjoy the process. This was a fun little technique. We're just adding some dots with a metallic marker and then rolling the edge and leaving it actually in a little tiny roll. You'll see that come together in a little bit. Here we're using the random stamping technique, where we take the small little asterisk from the Cake Day set and stamp it in triangles. Alright, so now you can see how the background that was built off camera earlier is just from the pieces of paper cut at the beginning of the workshop, and we're just building them into a little mosaic and adding our picture mat for the placement of the photo on top. And you can see I am adjusting things to be how I would like them, which is a little bit different than the original design. For this usage, you're going to see I need to lift the mat and bring it down a little bit because I chose to build my mat with the yellow showing all the way around the picture, which is different from the original, so it took up a little bit more room. Easy fix though, I just brought things down a little bit from the top and used our rub and remove eraser to remove the extra adhesive. Alright, so switching gears here, We are going to use some stamped images from the Cake Day coordinating set, and you can see that I'm going to use the matching colors depicted in the suite so that we can perfectly match. And what we're doing is stamp kissing. Actually, you can see some little asterisks there. Those asterisks were added by actually touching the ink to the stamp before it was placed on the image. So I didn't get that on camera very well, but that's what that is. It's really fun to stamp two different colors on the stamp before actually applying it to your paper. It's another nice little technique you can use. And to finish this off, we're just going to add some embellishments. These are our adhesive dots, and you can see they're perfectly aligned with the Cake Day paper suite. Alright, you can see next that I am going to wrap this up, again using the principle of the triangle. Oftentimes when adding embellishments or random stamping, it is excellent to remember to just build things in a triangular shape. When you add embellishments, stamped images, or random stamps in a triangle pattern, you tend to get a nice rounded pattern that just pleases the eye and moves you around the page. So to finish this off, we're just adding a little bit of embellishment with a metallic marker and just building those shapes to finish the page. I hope you've enjoyed building this piece of artwork with me as I've enjoyed sharing it with you. See you next time.